Making money on YouTube in Kenya is no longer a dream that belongs to people in other countries. It is real. It is possible. And many young people across Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Eldoret, Nakuru, and even small towns and villages are already doing it. YouTube has opened a door where your voice, your talent, your knowledge, and your creativity can turn into income. But it does not happen by luck. It happens through understanding, patience, smart work, and consistency. When you think about YouTube, you may think it is only about funny videos or music. But YouTube is much more than that. It is a search engine. It is a business platform. It is a school. It is a marketing tool. It is a stage. People use YouTube to learn cooking, farming, business, investing, technology, relationships, fitness, and many other things. This means you do not need to be a comedian or musician to succeed. You only need to solve a problem or entertain people in a way that keeps them watching. The first step to making money on YouTube in Kenya is to understand that YouTube is a long-term business. Many people quit too early because they expect quick money. In reality, most successful Kenyan YouTubers worked for months or even years before they started earning serious income. Some earned 0 shillings for the first 6 months, some even for 1 year, but they continued posting videos and improving their skills. To start, you need a Google account. With that account, you open a YouTube channel. Opening a channel is free. You do not pay anything. You choose a name for your channel. Choose a name that is easy to remember and related to what you want to talk about. If you want to teach business ideas, choose a name connected to business. If you want to focus on cooking, choose a name connected to food or recipes. Your name is your brand. Think long-term. After opening your channel, you must choose your niche. A niche means your specific topic. Many beginners make a mistake of posting random videos about everything. One day they post football, the next day they post cooking, then they post politics. This confuses the audience and also confuses YouTube. It is better to choose one clear topic. For example, you can focus on farming in Kenya, or small business ideas, or student life in Kenyan universities, or car reviews, or technology reviews, or relationships, or motivational talks. When you focus on one niche, people know what to expect from you. Once you choose your niche, you start creating videos. At the beginning, you do not need expensive equipment. Many Kenyan creators started with a simple smartphone. A phone with a good camera is enough. What matters more is lighting and sound. Record in a bright place. Face the window if possible. Make sure your voice is clear. If you can afford a small microphone, even one that costs about 2,000 Kenyan shillings, it can improve your sound quality greatly. Content is king. If your content is boring, people will not watch, even if your video quality is high. But if your content is useful or entertaining, people will watch even if your camera is simple. Before recording, think about what value you are giving. Are you teaching something useful? Are you solving a problem? Are you inspiring people? Are you making them laugh? Always ask yourself why someone should watch your video instead of another one. Consistency is very important. If you post one video and then disappear for 2 months, you will not grow. It is better to post one video every week than to post 5 videos in 1 week and then stop. Create a schedule. For example, you can decide to post every Saturday or every Wednesday and Sunday. Train your audience to expect your content. Now let us talk about how you actually make money. The main way people think about is ad revenue. This is money you earn when ads are shown on your videos. But before you earn from ads, you must qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. To qualify, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Alternatively, if you focus on short videos known as shorts, you may qualify with 10 million shorts views in 90 days under certain conditions. 1,000 subscribers may look small, but for a new channel it can feel big. Do not be discouraged. Focus on creating good content and improving every week. Ask people to subscribe. Remind them at the beginning or end of your videos. But do not beg. Just politely tell them to subscribe if they find value. Watch hours mean the total time people spend watching your videos. If one person watches 10 minutes and another person watches 5 minutes, you have 15 minutes of watch time. You need 4,000 hours. That is equal to 240,000 minutes. It sounds big, but when you post many videos and each one gets views, the watch hours grow slowly. After you qualify, you apply for monetization. You link your channel to a Google AdSense account. AdSense is the system that pays you. When your application is approved, ads start showing on your videos. You earn money depending on how many people watch the ads, how long they watch, and the type of audience you have. In Kenya, earnings per 1,000 views can vary. Some creators may earn around 100 Kenyan shillings per 1,000 monetized views. Others may earn 300 Kenyan shillings or even more, depending on their niche and audience. For example, finance and business channels often earn more per view compared to entertainment channels. But remember, not all views are monetized views. Some viewers use ad blockers, some skip ads, so income can vary a lot. YouTube usually pays when you reach a threshold of $100. Once you reach that amount, the money is sent to your bank account through AdSense. From your bank, you can withdraw or transfer to mobile money services such as M-Pesa. Because the money is first in dollars, the final amount in Kenyan shillings depends on the exchange rate at that time. However, ad revenue should not be your only source of income. Smart Kenyan YouTubers diversify. One powerful way is through brand deals. When your channel grows and companies see that you have influence, they may pay you to talk about their products or services. For example, a local clothing brand may pay you 20,000 Kenyan shillings to feature their products in one video. A bigger company may pay 50,000 Kenyan shillings or more depending on your audience size and engagement. To attract brand deals, build trust with your audience. Do not promote every product. Only promote products that are useful and relevant to your niche. If your channel is about farming, promote farming tools, seeds, or agricultural services. If your channel is about technology, promote phones, laptops, or software. When your audience trusts you, brands value you more. Affiliate marketing is another strong income stream. In affiliate marketing, you promote a product using a special link. When someone clicks your link and buys the product, you earn a commission. For example, if you review a phone and put an affiliate link in the description, and someone buys through that link, you earn a percentage of the sale. This can bring steady income, especially if your videos continue getting views for months or years. You can also sell your own products. If you are knowledgeable in a certain area, you can create an electronic book and sell it for 1,000 Kenyan shillings. If 100 people buy it, that is 100,000 Kenyan shillings. You can also create online courses. For example, if you teach video editing and sell a course for 3,000 Kenyan shillings and 50 people buy, that is 150,000 Kenyan shillings. Some creators offer services. For example, if you are good at graphic design, your YouTube channel becomes your marketing platform. People watch your content and trust your skills. They then hire you. One client may pay you 10,000 Kenyan shillings for a logo. Another may pay 30,000 Kenyan shillings for a full branding package. In this case, YouTube brings you clients. Live streaming is also another opportunity. During live streams, viewers can send super chats. These are paid messages that stand out in the chat. Supporters may send 500 Kenyan shillings, 1,000 Kenyan shillings, or more to support you. If you build a loyal community, live streaming can become powerful. YouTube Shorts are becoming very popular. Shorts are short vertical videos, usually less than 1 minute. They can reach many people quickly. While earnings from shorts may be lower compared to long videos, they help grow your subscribers fast. You can use shorts to attract people and then direct them to your longer monetized videos. Search engine optimization is very important. This means using the right words in your title, description, and tags so that people can find your videos when they search. If someone searches how to start a biashara with 10,000 Kenyan shillings and your video has those words, YouTube is more likely to show it. Always research what people are searching for in your niche. Thumbnails also matter. A thumbnail is the small image people see before clicking your video. It should be clear, bright, and easy to read. Use big text. Show emotion on your face if you appear in the thumbnail. The goal is to make someone curious enough to click. Patience is required. The first 3 months may feel slow. The first 6 months may feel discouraging. You may get only 50 views, maybe 100 views, but do not stop. Every successful channel started small. Growth is often slow at the beginning and then becomes faster later. You must also follow YouTube rules. Avoid copyright violations. Do not use music or videos that you do not have permission to use. If you break rules repeatedly, your channel can be demonetized or deleted. Protect your channel like a business. As your income grows, manage your money wisely. Do not spend everything immediately. Reinvest in better equipment. Buy a better microphone, upgrade your camera, improve your lighting, maybe rent a better space for recording. Think like an entrepreneur. In Kenya, internet access is growing every year. More people are buying smartphones. More people are watching online content. This means the opportunity is still growing. The earlier you start, the better your chances of building a strong brand before the space becomes too crowded. If you are a student, YouTube can be your side hustle. If you are employed, it can be your evening project. If you are unemployed, it can become your main focus. But treat it seriously. Plan your content. Study other successful creators. Learn from them but do not copy them. Develop your own style. Discipline will separate you from the majority. Many people start, few continue. If you can post consistently for 1 full year, improving every month, your chances of success increase greatly. Even if you earn only 5,000 Kenyan shillings per month at first, that is still income from your creativity. Over time, that 5,000 can grow to 50,000, then to 100,000. Growth compounds when you stay consistent. Making money on YouTube in Kenya is not magic. It is a combination of creativity, strategy, patience, learning, and persistence. It is about building trust, solving problems, and providing value. If you commit yourself fully, learn continuously, and adapt to changes, YouTube can move from being just a hobby to becoming a real income stream that changes your financial future. The journey may not be easy, but it is possible, and the best time to start is now.